Hello friends, if you are in the third year or fourth year of engineering, right, this video is very important for you because we are going to talk about the GATE examination, right, the graduate aptitude test in engineering, right. So what we are going to talk in this video is, first thing we'll talk about who is eligible for GATE examination, right, and second thing we'll talk about why to choose GATE, right, what are the benefit of giving GATE examination, and the third thing we're going to talk about the qualification marks, right, क्या qualification marks होती है, right, and the fourth one we will going to talk about examination pattern, GATE का exam pattern कैसा होता है, and the fourth thing we are going to talk about is very important examination syllabus. Before we proceed further, this is Unacademy special price week, guys, so you can get discount of up to 26%, right. You can see this is a 12-month, right, and price is 35,000 and you will get 9,000 discount, right, 11,000 discount, 13,000 discount. I don't think you will get ever such kind of discount ever, right. So variably there are 12 months, 18 months, 20 months, right, whatever you can choose by applying the code of this 10, right. So this is price for only valid up to 1st of April, right. So 1 अप्रैल से प्राइस काफ़ी रेंज हाई हो जाएंगे, so you can enroll by using of this 10. So let's talk about the batches, evolve batches for mechanical branch. So this is the faculty, guys, you can see Praveen Kulkarni, SK Mondal sir and various non-faculties. So use the code of this 10 for the mechanical branch and for resilience branch for the dropper batch, right, जो 1 साल का ड्रॉप ले चुके हैं उनके लिए भी ये बैच काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होगी, राइट, फॉर द CSIT. So faculty are Sanchit Jain, right, a very important faculty here are here, right, for you to teach all the difficulties in computer science branch. And this is resilience branch, right, for electrical branch. So the courses will start on March 30. You can use the code of this 10 for the enrollment purpose, right. If you enroll right now you'll get up to 26%, right, which I have discussed earlier. So this is the resilience branch dropper batch for electronics, right, ECE branch. And the next one is very important, which is in front of you, right. These are the discount you will get, right, up to 9,401, 11,927, 13,000 का डिस्काउंट आपको मिल सकता है. So what you have to use of this 10 code you have to use for this discount, right. Offer is valid till 31st of March. So coming back to the eligibility criteria, if you are in third year, fourth year, or you have completed the degree of your engineering degree, then you are eligible. Whether you are irrespective of the engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts, every branch is eligible here, every stream is eligible, right? So these are the paper code of various branches: aerospace engineering, instrumentation, mathematics, mechanical, right. These are the code AR, right, for agriculture and planning, architecture, biomedical engineering, biotechnology, civil, chemical, right, different physics, production, industrial, statistics, electronic and communication, electrical engineering, humanities, social science, ecology and evolution, right, life sciences, geological and geophysics. So various paper codes are eligible. There are 29 codes you can see, papers, streams, right. Now the next thing is question pattern, exam pattern of GATE examination. So the examination will be of 3 hours, 29 code होंगे, subject होंगे. You can choose accordingly, right. There will be 2 sections, right, 2 section होते हैं, right, उसमें general aptitude and candidate selected subject. So the candidate selected subject, like you are from mechanical, you will choose mechanical, computer, right. So there will be question type, right. Question type will be multi choice question and multi select questions, MSCQ and MCQ and NAT में क्या होता है, 0 मार्क्स होते हैं, राइट. आप अटेम्प्ट करते हो तो फुल मार्क्स मिलेंगे और अटेम्प्ट नहीं करते हो तो 0 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. सो द पैटर्न इज सिंपली 10 क्वेश्चन ऑफ GA, राइट, जनरल एप्टीट्यूड, एंड 55 क्वेश्चन ऑफ 55 होगा टेक्निकल, दैट इज मैकेनिकल का 55 होगा और इलेक्ट्रिकल का तो इलेक्ट्रिकल का 55 होगा, राइट. लाइक दीज डिफरेंट मार्किंग स्कीम्स, राइट. देयर विल बी क्वेश्चन ऑफ 1 मार्क्स एंड 2 मार्क्स इन योर एग्जाम, राइट, 3 आवर्स. सो 1 मार्क्स के लिए आपको 0.33 मार्क्स डिडक्ट होगा, 2 मार्क्स के लिए 0.66 मार्क्स डिडक्ट होगा, राइट. और एक खास बात है कि जो न्यू पैटर्न इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है गेट में, MSQ मल्टीपल सेलेक्ट क्वेश्चन में, उसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होगी, आपको फुल मार्क्स मिलेंगे, आपको उसको फुल्ली अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हो, राइट. एंड नेट में भी सिमिलर केस है. So coming to the benefit of writing GATE examination is you will get admission in IIT, right, Indian Institute of Technology, right. And the second biggest thing is job in PSU, public sector job, right. Like public sector is divided into Maharatna, Mini Ratna, Navratna, right. So if you want to know the detail about PSU, then write in the comment box. And one of the most important question asked by the one of the candidate is from third year, right. Sir, how to balance fourth year, how to balance the strike between the placement test, right, सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन राइट एंड गेट प्रिपरेशन साइमल्टेनियसली, ये तीनों हम कैसे साथ में कर सकते हैं. सो रिगार्डिंग दिस वी विल मेक वीडियो. इफ यू राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स इफ यू नीड in this type of content, so you please write in the comment box and subscribe the channel, and please download the Unacademy app for the enrollment of the courses. So the offer is valid up to 31st of March. So subscribe to the channel and enroll for the courses.